guys, Andrew here back with another video. So today, just looking, sorry for my hair. My hair looks so bad. I can't do anything about this, so I'm sorry. Well, this is my new setup kind of thing. So right here, if you can see, that's what I'm holding on to. That's like if I want to go selfie mode. But then, if I want to do maybe get a good shot of scootering or something, you know what I mean? Get low, do it like this. But we're going to be in selfie mode. Today I have no school because, let me show you. Look at all that snow, guys. That's so cool. That's so cool. If I were you, I would go outside and go play in it if you have snow. But if you live in somewhere hot, I feel bad for you. But also, I kind of feel happy for you because it's so cold here. It's not minus. It's 24 degrees. So I'm in my room, and for Christmas, I just figured this out. I have skate wax. It goes in this. I thought it was lip balm. Lip balm. Yeah. But I'm getting a huge scooter ramp. I'm just quickly throwing down things to quickly tell you. So I'm gonna go. It's so super snowy. So I'm gonna go outside and go play outside. No. Yes. No. Yes. Yeah. No. Yes. Yes. I'm gonna go outside, play in the snow, maybe make a snow fort. Who knows? But yeah, let's go outside and play in the snow. Let's go, boys. Oh my God! I thought I just stopped. Let's go, boys and girls. Let's go. Hey guys, so I have everything on. My hat, everything, got my gloves, this. Okay. I'm in my garage. I just had to come down here quickly to clean off my camera because it got kind of wet because I was filming something else quickly. And we have a lot of snow. That's probably it's only been going for a little bit. And that's a couple inches. So, I can't wait until someone comes and moves all the snow so I can build a fort with all that snow. I'm looking at something else right now. Sorry. Well, yeah, guys, interview squad, should I say? Interview squad, yeah, interview squad. Interview squad, we're going to do something really cool. What we are going to do right now, I'm going to attempt to, let me close the door. I need to attempt to, sled, not on a hill, just flat surface. It's because if you know some of my friends, if they're watching this, we went tubing yesterday, and it was only a couple of my friends, and this is what we did. There's these people who were like, I'm a professional, I don't need a hill, and they're super annoying. But I'm gonna go get the sleds and go outside and try it down this kind of hill I kind of had. Not really a hill, but first I'm gonna try to find the sleds if I can. I think they're outside. There. So I'm gonna do that, then come back inside and end the vlog. So let's just go. Now, because I have everything set, I made a little jump here. You couldn't see it then, but I packed snow down, so let's now try it. Let's do this! That was great! my thumb. Guys, I know that was super quick, but I need to end it here. I just hurt my thumb very badly. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait until we have more snow. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.